Well, hello, YouTube friends and fans. As you can see, this is my new welder.
Next level.
I'm gonna take the old bottle here, and I think we're gonna make this TV stand my cart. All the room to put the wire underneath. So what I'm thinking is we'll cut out this backside. Cut it out about right here. We'll have to protect the metal from eating at the tank. We'll take this panel out and it'll sit right over top of the wheels instead of building a base down there at the bottom and coming out and holding the tank out here. Don't want this to be tipsy. Tank is not flammable, but it is dangerous if it was to break off under pressure. So that's what we're gonna tackle. And let me set the camera up and take you along for the ride. Well, I hope you can see what's going on here. First, we're going to take off the mat. And I do have a little template there where the tank roughly is. Let's go ahead and mark center here. Looks like about 7.5. The tank is 7 inches round. So makes it 3.5. Let's go 4 inches out. Might actually go 4.5. Bring in here and see what you can see. So roughly a little straighter. I think that'll work. I'll have to cut the panel out and put a chain in. Alright. This panel's held on by a set of rivets, so hopefully we'll just eat the rivet out with the drill. It's loose, like a Canadian goose. Ta-da! Yeah, I'm sure I could use those for something later, maybe. We'll see. Now, the one thing I see that I don't like already, I was really hoping their lip stayed there, but it doesn't. Not a big deal. Got a welder. We'll weld a piece of metal in, right? Alright, we got that piece cut out now. Let's set the tank down in there. Put my tool back together. Well, let me show you what I see. I've got a new tool here. It's a belt file, or they call it a thin sander. Well, I got a pair of snips to finish the lines, but there are burrs still. This is the new tool I was telling you about. And before I really turn it on, that's my only issue right now. Sometimes it doesn't run. But before the noise gets going, that's what it does. And catch you on the other side of this. Well, the tank fits real good. Got her all sanded down there. Now I just gotta go to the store and get a piece of rubber, like not hose, but it's a protectant like that you slit and slid over it. We'll cut that mat to fit that gap as well. By the way, it's never too late to hit that subscribe button. That looks so much better. Something was sitting on it, had it bunched up, so I'm gonna have to put some weight on it to keep it down. That'll work for the moment. Well, I gotta hook the chain up from here to here. I've also got to cut this off, which is no big deal. I am going to leave the front a little taller, not sure where, but it's all going to sit something like this. Tank, I think I'll leave the handle high, that way I can access all the cords, pull it in and out. I don't think I want to block off the front of this, but we'll see. Catch me on the next video. We'll have it put together. We'll actually load some wire in it, and we will roll weld. See how well this piece of junk works. Hopefully it's not a piece of junk. Thanks for watching.